are those?
Officer, I got one question for you. What are those?
Scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls shock your soul, seal your doom. Spooky, scary skeletons.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Scythe here, and today we're going to be playing Slime Rancher. I have learned a little bit about this game, but I haven't played it yet, so let's go and get a new game. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far Far Range, Beatrix LeBois, I don't know how to say that, begins her first day as a Slime Rancher. These guys eat everything. Bam. Okay, so since these guys eat everything, I think I'm just gonna use these guys. What are these poops for? Oh, it doesn't give much money. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so we have to go out and explore.
Hello, Beatrix. The name's Hobson Tolger, rancher, explorer, and the former owner of this here ranch you now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember, and felt there was one last adventure left in me, so I've set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for notes like these, if you want to hear what an old coon has to say every now and again. Be talking to you. H.
So these give like little notes about the area, I guess. Ooh, food. So the pink guys eat everything. So that's good. If I feed you. Oh, you poop out little ports. Okay. That's pretty cool. I wonder if they can eat them. Ow! So these things are dangerous, but can they? Oh! Okay, that thing is dangerous, but you guys just saw that, right? He literally just got mixed. How did you get back here? You just got mixed. That is cool. What is this? No! No! Where'd he go? What is that? That looks so cool. Oh, it's another land. No, I think I'm gonna take one of you. I think it is time to go back to the farm. Alright, so we're here, and since I could sell the poops for money, I think what I'm gonna do is bam. I don't know what mixing them does, but they look really cute. Eat. What? They poop out both. Give me your poop. I need your poop. Thank you for your poops. Dang, they keep tripping out. There has to be a way to stop that. I don't know. Okay, so I have a good amount of money now. I want to see what this does. Oh! Okay. That's helpful. Let me just take that. I need you guys to poop more. Yeah, poop again. Thank you. Get in there. Oh my god, this is so difficult. I'm selling my ports. I need money to get high walls. God, okay. Distract them. Distract them with food. Aha! Now you, ow. Now you cannot escape. We got this all started up. I guess, yeah, we have to go for more food. Okay, so I think the goal today is just to kind of get the farm started. Ow. So that, we can, you know, get enough monies that we can go adventuring. Give me a pro. I'm just gonna back up all these parts. Me your little poops. Yeah. That should be enough food for them. Hope it is, because it's nighttime now. Star Mail. Okay. The 7ZEE Corporation would like to welcome you into the Far Far Range. Welcome. And extend our support in your bold new adventure as a slime rancher. Support extended. We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days at the ranch until you get more familiar with the surroundings. Traveling at night is not advisable. Okay. Okay. So we should get some stuff for our backpack. Whatever it's called. 6 a.m. in the morning. They're still eating. They're all good. You escaped. Get back in there. Oh, wow. I missed. I think what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna go grab these carrots. But, I think we should get another species. Because right now I'm just getting tabby and pink plorts. And that isn't giving me much money. So maybe not the rock guys, because, you know, they attack. See, ow. But I'm gonna go exploring, see if I can find anything else. Okay. It's a little chicky. Oh no, Tabby! Why would you eat the chicken? No, no. No chicken eating today. Uh-huh. They're like a stony chickadoo. Be adorable. Give me all your poops. What is this? I had a great big tree. Okay, so I'm not gonna read all this because. Okay. It's just about why I came here. Not important. What is this place? These things. Fruits. Okay. That's cool. Is it actually a phone? No. I don't know what it is. Oh. Maybe it's... Yeah, there. It's okay. Anyway. I wonder what's over here. It's locked. What? What? No! Seriously? Eat up. Eat the food. God, it goes rotten. It's terrible. Aw, poor little thingies. Oh, come here. Come here, little poops. I need your poops. Okay. Oh. That poop went flying. How are you out here? I have saved the little slimesies. Okay, so we got a lot of poops to sell. Dang, that's a lot of money. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, so that looks like it's for the backpack. Jetpack. Or that does. Power core. Okay. So what is the... Yeah, I'm gonna leave them for a second. I'm gonna go forage for some food. Actually, what is it? Garden. Okay. We might build that later. So what I want to know is why this jetpack costs so much. Give me no carrot. Ah, that's not much carrot. Okay. It's not even that good. But I guess it helps a bit. And that is good enough. Hi, little thingy. Just a fat dude? I don't know. Give me a lot of fruit though. But what is this? Oh, it's a map. You can go all the way over here? This map is so big. You know what I wonder? I wonder if maybe I can use my jetpack to get over that wall. We're here at the place. I'm gonna see if anything can go over. I missed. Because I want to know if like I can actually get over, if it's just gonna drop me in the water. Okay, things can get over. Oh, what's this? Okay. Thank you. What does this do? Okay, so we saw last time that this thing is basically broken. I don't need that. Oh my god, it's just up there. Okay, I think I'm gonna go up here. Oh no, don't die. Oh, okay. Okay. We're in a new area. Let's see if it shows up on the map now. Nope. I guess I have to unlock it before it shows up on the map. But, I know the way to this place. How do I... Okay, I think I just got stuck. What are they? Boom slimes. Okay. I don't feel like I want those. They explode. I'll just take their little poops. Anything else? What is this? The moss blanket may seem like an ancient jungle of sorts, but the fact is that much of what you see here wasn't even around when I first began exploring this land. At this rate, I reckon that it won't be long before this greenery completely overtakes the far range. So this thing only grew after a while, looks like. Mint mango. Ew. That sounds disgusting. Oops. Oh, I guess I don't know if it breaks. Aha! Give me your poops. I want your poops. Dang. I wonder if their poops are expensive. I hope I get good money for them. What's this? Oh, is this exactly where I just came from? Am I dumb? Hi. Oh. They're angry. I don't like this. Why are they angry? Hi. 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 Hi there. I'm just gonna... Hi! Do you... It does! Oh my god, mine. All mine. Adorable. I want these thingies. Honey slimes. Honey slime! Oh my god, they're so adorable. Aww. Hi! I hope they give me money. I'm still gonna take them. Because they're so cute. Okay, now it's time to make my way back. So we're back where we came down, but we can't get up. Nope. What? What are those?
Officer, I got one question for you. What are those?
What are these things? What? They die in water. Okay. I guess I was just trying to shoot it away from me. What is that doing there? Why is there a thingy? First time I went exploring the moss bucket, I got stuck here, so I constructed a way out. That fixes my problem. So we're not stuck here. Thank God. But we are gonna have to make it all the way back home. So I'll see you when we get there. Alright, we're back at the farm, and it's close to nighttime, so I'm probably gonna sleep soon. And we're gonna get a new corral. Pew 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 pew. Then we're gonna feed these guys some of these. We're gonna make some new little poops. Hey! Back in there! Why are you so rowdy? Get back there. Okay, so they're all pooping booms. Pooping boom ports. And they're pooping honey, which I hope is good for money. That rhymed. Sort of sad about that. Oh god, that hurt. Get out of the way! Oh my god, stop exploding on me. So those guys seem as dangerous as the rock guys, but they explode less often. So that's good. I think I'm gonna make a garden. Okay, shoot a fruit or veggie. Okay, into the depositor. I'm gonna do fruits, because the pink guys will eat anything, and I need lots and lots of fruits for the, what's it called? The, dang it, I forgot their names already. The honey boom largo guys. So I have fruit now, and I'm just gonna head back. Plan is to make this little garden. I don't know why I grow so fast. That's actually sort of creepy. But what I'm gonna do here, I'm actually gonna shoot some of these pink quartz in here, give me some money. Then I might get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get a chicken coop. Put these in, start making babies. These guys are all happy. Aw. So cute. Adorable. That's it for today, guys. I'm probably gonna do more in this series, but as always, see you guys later. Goodbye.